split large Excel file into smaller ones. Say we have a large Excel file, we by running macros, we can split the file by row count. For example, say for each 500 rows, create a separate Excel file. For each department, create separate Excel file. For each region, create separate Excel file. This is one example, but we can split in any condition based on our data. So we see actually what is in our file. So we have one output folder first, and we have here three macros: split by department, region name, and split by row count. Say 5,000 row count. And in the output folder we have three folders: split by department, region, and by row count. So first we split by department. So we open the macro split by department name macro. So I open it here, and we have two tabs: instruction and data tab. If we see, so we have around 1000 lines item here. We have region, we have department, amount, and some random data. So first we split this data in a separate department. For example, for sales finance, we have one file, HR one file, IT one file, and sales department another file. So what we need to do, we give the our output folder path, means the which in the folder our files will be saved. We need to give the folder path. So to get the folder path, so first we split by department. So in the split by department, we don't have nothing right now, so we need to get this folder path. So to get the folder path, select shift right click, copy as path, and give in the cell C5, and then we run the macro, and macro will split data by department. So you see that macro is accumulating data for by department. Here it is sales department. It will take time based on data. Now for the second department, finance. So based on the data size, actually the macro will take time. If data quantity small, then you will take less time. So our macro done. Now we can see now in the folder. So we have four files based on the department data. So the same way we open the other macro. For example, if we want to split data by region, so we need to give this file path, copy the file path, and give in the respective, open the respective macro, split by region, and give the file path, folder path in the respective cell, and run the macro, and macro will split data based on the region and the row count.